I took a lot of flack for showing this one in Saturday's top 10, and I'd go back and re-watch it. We talked about these levels pretty clearly, and obviously no one expected it in a day. We are seeing some froth, and we're going to get into that. So stay to the end, because I do want to go through the indexes and what's going on out there. But you're definitely seeing some froth. You're seeing a lot of the short squeeze names move. This obviously exploded up off that 1335. It's worth covering these levels. So if you just want to look at these levels over here on the right-hand side and just mark those levels off, and you can kind of use those as a guide tomorrow if you're interested in trading this. And I'll just get rid of the pre and post. But you can see my levels are fairly good, so you're welcome to use those. I don't know if we're getting back up here or not. You had a bunch of halts today. When that rumor hit where we didn't know what was going on in the Ukraine, you saw the market come in. A lot of people are saying that's because of the spy wall and where we were with options. It could have been perfectly timed to release something like that. That was very, not very specific. At the same exact time that you were at a technical trigger, wouldn't be the first time something like that has happened, and you sold back down. We're going to talk about the indexes again at the end. But you just watch these levels right here: 1860, 2076, 2450, 2878. Use those levels. I mean, they've been working since 1335, flipping the 1509. 1860 clearly is acting as support. So these levels do work, and they have been working. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one, or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.